Guys, we are here. I'm Angelo Mihes. We are here now in Calypso together with my colleagues. His name is Amal. We are making now flat white. Okay. How many grams for the coffee? 38 grams. Wow, so nice.
Picture.
Coffee. Steaming now. Coffee. Amal, she's the one who beautiful and talented baristas here in Calypso Cafe and Lounge. She's a #1 baristas here. So guys, if you want to go here, just look for Amal, and you can taste her coffee. So now she's making flat white coffee. Just how she make it flat white coffee, guys. So very beautiful. Same like the baristas, the beautiful and talented baristas here. So guys, from the bottom of her heart, look, she's very beautiful. Nice, perfect. Yeah, the barista always clean as you go after you make the coffee, and clean as you go. So what do you say? For your make a coffee, a perfect coffee, flat white coffee, this very nice taste and good taste. That's why guys, just visit us here in Calypso coffee shop along Amir Sultan, and here in Jeddah, KSA. So now she's making the coffee again. For what kind of coffee? Yes, just a cappuccino. Guys, if you know that this beautiful lady baristas, she has too much regular customer here, and she's looking every day. Where's Amal? Where's Amal? She's the beautiful barista here. So that's why, guys, don't forget to visit here in Calypso and look for Amal, the beautiful lady.
For Amal and Angel.
So nice.
I'm nothing without you, Angel. You are my right hand.
Wow, she's steaming the milk, the perfect. Hi sir, good afternoon. Come and join us. This is our famous here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Yeah, very good client here. Just making cappuccino. Wow. Look guys, very, very beautiful. With matching art. It's lucky art. Wow.
The third one?
What is this? What kind of art this one? It's what? Swan. Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ito sa seem like a snake. No, just kidding. Wow, and you make it another latte art. Okay. Perfect. Sir, what do you want to drink? You can choose. No, I mean you can just the drinks here. And you can drink it.
That's the video or what is it?
Yes, that's the video. So another swan? This one, swan with the too much feather. This one, too much feather. And the other one, swan with 2 hearts.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's too much love. Yeah, it's art. Somebody's good. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, Amal. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for watching for my vlog today. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, ang Hello Mehes, and click the notification bell. So para updated kayo sa mga susunod pang videos. Maraming salamat sa support nyo guys. At sa susunod pang videos guys. Sana huwag kayong magsawang manood ng aking mga videos guys. Maraming salamat.